Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making fall off the bone baked chicken legs in the Instant Pot. It's quick, easy, and perfect for a busy weeknight dinner. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with washed and clean chicken. Like I said, I'm using chicken legs, but also I would say chicken thighs will work great with this recipe as well. Also, you're going to want to coat the chicken. I coated my chicken in avocado oil, but you can use whatever oil you like. And the reason why I use avocado oil because we're going to be searing the chicken later. So the seasonings I used are onion powder, garlic powder, Tony Saturé, Italian seasoning, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, and smoked paprika. You're also going to need about a tablespoon of flour. I use gluten-free flour, but you can use any flour you choose. I follow strict gluten-free diet, so that's why I use gluten-free flour. And you're just going to lightly coat it because we're going to be searing the chicken. And I'm just going to let you watch the video and I'll pop back in later. Okay, so now we're searing the chicken, and you're just gonna sear the chicken on all sides. And I don't know why, but I could have seared this in the Instant Pot. I wasn't thinking. Definitely if you're using an Instant Pot, you can sear the chicken there. And also if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can also cook this in a Crockpot and on high for 4 hours or on low for 8 hours. So now I added it to the Instant Pot, and the bowl that I had seasoning the chicken in, I put some chicken broth in that bowl, and I'm pouring that mixture in the Instant Pot along with some bell peppers that I had from another meal that I chopped up, and also some onion. And so now you're gonna set the chicken, put a lid on the Instant Pot, set the chicken, pressure cook it. First I did it for 45 minutes, but I end up pressure cooking the chicken additional 10 minutes. So in all about 55 minutes. And so as you can see, the chicken is tender, fall off the bone. I paired it with some mashed potatoes and some green beans. It was delicious. It was quick, easy, fall off the bone, Instant Pot chicken legs. Perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this recipe. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious meals. See you next time.